Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to set up live wallpapers like this on CachyOS or any distro using KDE. Let's jump right into it. So this is my wallpaper right now and let's start setting it up. So let's open the desktop folder settings and then set up plugins. Here you can find, here it is, the smart video wallpaper reborn. Let's right click on it and you'll need to install it. It has multiple features, you can go through all of them. It is very interesting. Okay, let's install it. Okay, installed. Okay, so now we open the settings and here we can select the smart video wallpaper settings and right click on OK. So currently we don't have any video source, so let's download the live wallpapers mp4 files. So let's pick some free live wallpapers for our desktop. Okay, this looks interesting, so let's download this and bunch of others as well, and let's see how it will be on our system, how it will behave. Okay, now time to set up the videos on our plugin smart video wallpaper. So pick a file and select all the video files that you had downloaded, apply it, and boom, this looks cool, right? It's great. Let's open some terminal. Okay, it paused. Okay, so on the full screen it gets paused, so it will help you reduce the power consumption for it, but yeah, it's great. Otherwise it will be a little bit power hungry, but I don't think that would be a problem. Okay, let's disable this and let's see the other wallpaper. Okay, it's great. Okay, we can also check the NVIDIA SMI settings to check the GPU utilization when the wallpaper is on. So here you can see that our Plasma shell is taking around 647 MB for the wallpaper and as well as for the display GUI, and currently it's using the 30 watt of power. That is not much, and around GPU utilization of 38%, which is I think not very considering for us since we are using these type of live wallpaper. Oh, what was that? Oh, okay, whoop whoop. Oh, this is some very illegal live wallpaper I had set up. It looks great, but it is very disengaging and very trippy. Okay, let's move on. But in any case, this looks great. Okay, also we can set some other settings as well, like when it will pause, we can blur the window. So let's see when we can blur the window. It is currently at maximized of full screen windows, and also if we check other settings like pause the wallpaper, so we can check and do it this. Let's try with this, the active window. And okay, so whenever there is a window active it will pause the wallpaper, but I don't want that because there could be a minimally open window there, so I will just pause it when it is maximized of full screen windows, otherwise I will not. And also let's set the blur setting, so it will be for at least one window. Let's see how it goes. Okay, it looks great. Let's try it again. Okay, so my terminal is in the foreground and the background is blurred. It is great. This feature is amazing. Okay, so let's set up some other live wallpapers and let's just enjoy the view.